Crypto news today from Amassers.com. Visit our site for cryptocurrency news updated 24/7, technical analysis, and our exclusive crypto market sentiment indicators.
Guys, once again, this is Alfred from Amassers.com, and I'm here on my screener right now. I'm going to do some quick technical analysis for Bitcoin. We're also going to take a look at the top. Let's look at Chainlink. Let's look at BNB, and let's look and see what's happening with Mr. Trump's coin. You guys will notice on this screener that we have these little American flags, and since the latest is to have a bias towards coins that are made here in the USA, that's why we added this, so you can have it quick and easy to see on the front of the screener. Now let's just jump right into this. Okay, there's not a lot to say here. You can see that giant wick, and I had my lines there, and when we broke that, we started a breakout. There was some profit taking. We're breaking out again, and once again there's some profit taking. What do you think professionals are going to do? They're going to sit there and wait till the next influencer makes a prediction multiple years out into the future, or are they going to take the profit while it's there? Let me show you another chart like this. Let's look at BNB. But honestly, BNB has a problem with profit taking after a company had tried to start a BNB treasury, but they just couldn't get the numbers up enough and enough momentum going to remain inside of the S&P 500. So since they couldn't meet the requirements, now guys are buying the rumor, selling the fact over here on BNB. But it did pump. Okay, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. This is Trump's official meme coin, and that orange zone there that I made with lines, that is usually on all of my charts. When you see me drop these on Twitter, this is where I have in my mind to look at shorting at. That light blue zone, that's where I have in my mind to get inside of that zone and probably consider going long. Okay, but what I really want to draw your attention to is the fact that we've now all of a sudden got $331 million in liquidity here. This is what I like to call a liquidity tease, because when you have this automated software looking and weighing factors of meme coins, this will attract money on the basis that there's all this liquidity, and the fact that it's not locked means whoever's running this can go in and out and tease you into automated trades if you so allow it, as many times as they want to. Okay guys, before I get out of here, let's go and look at Big Papa Bitcoin. Here's that market maker zone that I put out at the top of every week on Twitter at Trader Alfred, and you can see we bounced off of the bottom of that gray box once. We attacked it again and with authority, and then we got through. Next stop was the average swing down, and we had a little consolidation there, and now we're breaking. We didn't quite make it to that 111,600, which was my next line, but we are on this week, we're trending down. I have to go with what the numbers are showing me, regardless of how positive I feel about a crypto. Right now, on the fearmonger, we've got bears, and over here we've got a trend headed to the south side. Now I think we're going to get a little bounce, possibly by however people interpret what Jerome Powell says at Jackson Hole. But again, you don't know until you know, so we'll have to wait and see on tomorrow how they're going to spin it. That's all I have for this episode, guys. Just a little technical analysis for some coins, a little look at our screener. See you guys on the next one. Once again, this is Alfred for Amassers.com. See you when I see you. Peace.